administrator has arrived.
Yo, the game is actually up. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Who are you? We're gonna go with the Mel MC. Self-insert. Confirm identity. My name is Minister Icky Blicky. Reporting for duty.
Wow. Wait, whoa. How come? Oh, pretty. Wait, she's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Wait, I don't want to leave here.
Soon, hopefully. It's a cool atmosphere. Cold start, they call it. Uh-oh. Okay. I can't wait to just explore. That's going to be one of the things that I just love. We get to jump? We can jump! Sorry, I've been playing a bit of Star Rail lately. So
It's like, damn, a game like this has existed the whole time? Oh, that's cute! The wire doesn't exist until you, like, just choose where to go?
Oh, we're ziplining again? Alright. Hey, where should we go? I guess we're going that way? Oh! Holy moly! Oh. Wow! We could have gotten some head trauma that time, chat.
Go to the tower. Skill usage. Oh no, not the numbers. Oh, my computer, my keyboard is gonna fuck me over with this. I know it already. When ultimate energy is full, long press the button. No, my keyboard is gonna fuck me. Okay, cool. Alright, I play enough Wii to know how to play this game, I feel.
I don't know what it is about like gigantic ass weapons stuck in the floor, but I really like it, and I always liked it. Like, who wielded this giant ass fucking sword, right? I will always try to glitch out.
Who's gonna read? I'm not gonna read. I'll just figure it out.
These flowers are...
A legacy, a tomb, a lonely soul, never meant to bear such burdens. In the end, you chose not to let go.
I don't understand, okay? Missed important AK lore. Dude, I don't know any AK lore. If you're coming to me for AK lore, you've come to the wrong place.
Man, so this is the... So is this the true power of the Doctor and Arknights? Is this what full potential Doctor is capable of?
This is bad. Oh, I don't think I want to face that. Yeah, I'm like, the first team that runs to be like pure vibes, bro. The beginning teams that I do in Gacha games are very, it is pure vibes. Oh. It's friendly trust. I don't know if I trust that. Please. Walk up to Hero's arm. I heard noises. Okay, maybe it's friendly. Never mind. Bro, I thought he was gonna be the boss fight. I got so scared. I thought that was the boss fight.
Oh my gosh, is this their grave? Scout, Ace, Outcast, Whitesmith. No, not the Scout, Ace, callback. Do not send me back to chapter 7 like this, Endfield. That is mean. Oh my god. Outcast.
That's all I got. That's kind of fire.
Yeah, this is what happens if you fail kind of story.
So I'm trying to think of a very specific thing.
Now, what
looks
on
nice.
earth that's from me trying?
Pull up.
Spoil yourself again? No.
Oh my god.
I did try. This is hard for me to be honest.
Okay.
Making things,
Like
man.
this.
I already spoiled myself
Yeah, I
on
put the
my
myself
on
into
because I
This is
look
like
at
a-
songs.
I thought I just
And then they had the
What?
She's so cute.
who's this? Who the fuck is up?
The gigantic fucking soul.
Wait, she's like,
What? She's blowing up my dick.
My power.
at least her symbol on her.
You can't just do that.
Okay, this is kind of nice.
Graphics for my potato phone. Good. Well, I'm gonna be screaming.
Really well rendered. Oh.
So is this how we lose our memory?
I don't want to fight.
Imagine the last thing you think before a monster crashes
This year pay got resolved.
Wow, that's really well
Yeah,
rendered.
I can fight
The
this.
issue with Terra is like,
On that big we're gonna fight it.
And control operators are
Okay. We got her to. Oh, Jesus Christ. Huh?